Hi, so if you're watching this video, I will be sharing with you exactly how to build a blog or affiliate marketing website that can potentially earn you from $200 all the way up to $1,000 a day. So let's dive deep into it. As you can see over here, these are some stats in a day with affiliate site, and as you can see, it's $218 a day. Now, if you're starting out as an affiliate, right, you have to have some kind of website. There are ways that you can make money without the website, but in this video we are going to look at the way how to build the website, and it's not only effective but also that it's not that it doesn't cost you hundreds of dollars to start with. So first of all, you need a kind of domain name, right? So what is domain name? Domain name is the name of your website, and what you can do is go over here to namecheap.com. So basically you type in the Google namecheap.com, as you can see over here on my screen, and from here you can choose your domain name. So keep in mind, depend on the niche that you are in. Let's say that you are in the weight loss space, right? Or let's say that you are in the personal development, self-help niche. It would make sense if you are in the self-help niche and you're promoting, let's say, make money online or automotive or insurance deals, right? It would not make any sense. So that's why focus on one offer only and one niche only. Let's say that we are in the manifestation or law of attraction niche, right? So what kind of name we could come up with? Let's say manifestdreamlife.com, right? It should always end with a .com, not .org but .com, and then click on search, and let's see if this domain name is available. So let's see if this name is available or not. In some cases you'll see it's not available because someone else already bought a domain name. So what you can do, you just change the name and try different version of the name or totally different domain name. As you can see, this domain name is available. So okay, we use manifestdreamlife.com, totally perfect. It doesn't have to be like totally correct, right? So anything, just that it's sound like self-help or about manifestation or anything like that, right? And what you do after that is add to cart. So you click add to cart. As you can see, it's not expensive at all, almost $9 per year. So basically you're paying less than $1 per month for your domain name. After that you click on checkout and purchase this domain. Now what you need after you purchase your domain is you need hosting. So somewhere where you can host your site. What I suggest you as a #1 hosting portal that I'm personally using and my students is also Hostgator.com. So go over to google.com and type in Hostgator.com and you will find this website, and here you click on get started. So you click on get started, and as you can see over here you have different options. Now you have hatchling plan, baby plan, and business plan. Now if you're planning to build your blog or your affiliate website, I suggest you to go with baby plan first. You can choose business plan if you can afford that, and you have unlimited websites. You also have free SEO tools and also free domain included, as you can see over here. But what I suggest you to click is over here on baby plan, and then click on buy now button. Now once you click that, you will see you will have to register yourself. Of course it's free, so let the website load. Now you see register a new domain. If you don't have a domain, you can enter a domain here, or if you have already previously purchased the domain name on namecheap.com or anywhere else, you can click on I already own this domain and type in your domain name, right? After you type in your domain name, you choose a plan and how many months do you want it. Like you can just start with only 1 month, you can start with 6 months, or even 36 months, right? You can start with 1 month. You fill out this data, you put in your billing information, and over here you can add some security, like for example SSL certificate if you want to. And at the end I suggest you over here to delete this coupon code and put in success for all. So remember this. Over here, you put in success for all. Now maybe in the link below this video, where I'm going to give you a discount code, the link to the Hostgator, where when you purchase the hosting plan, I will give you more than a 10% discount. So you can purchase the link below this video. You can purchase your hosting, and let's see, validate. Just a moment. I will be giving you the code below this video because I'm already using it on this page. So the code is success for all, and it's going to be also below this video. And then you're going to get a higher discount. So it should be around $9, not 12 or 13, but $9. So the link for discount is below this video. You can look in the section, and you'll be able to click on that link and purchase the domain. Now, after you have done that, you will receive email from Hostgator and also as well from Namecheap, where you bought your domain name, and you'll be able to connect your name servers, and then you are up and running. You can download and install WordPress, and you can start building your site. So if you want to know exactly how to build it and how to put content together and what to do and what not to do, the link to my free Facebook group is going to be below this video, where you can connect with me. I'm sharing tips weekly, also videos in my Facebook group on how to start with affiliate marketing, what audiences to build, where to build them, where to find them, if you're running paid traffic, paid advertising, how to run Facebook ads or Google ads, right? So all of this I'll be sharing in my free Facebook group. So the link to my free Facebook group, it's below this video. You will be able to find it. And also, if you want to connect with me and have done for you affiliate website with done for you targeting details, traffic, if you want to connect with me and get it up and running, also you can connect with me. The links are going to be below this video, and you can also reach me on my social media accounts. For example, here you can find me on my Instagram as well. So all of this, you can contact me and find me. This is my real profile, and you can reach me out. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any more questions, you are more than welcome to let me know.